When it comes to providing full-service circuit breaker replacements, we are the industry leader, delivering more than 1,000 breakers to our customers with rolling replacement options available for Westinghouse, ABB, GE, and other OEMs. Low and medium voltage breakers? Turnkey services? We've got that too.
To provide the best solutions to address industry issues, we focus on adding value to high-quality products. Our in-house engineering team created the Miles 25 program, which significantly reduces maintenance requirements for breakers without sacrificing performance. Our Miles 25 simulated aging program shows Framatome circuit breakers will require no relubrication or disassembly for a minimum of 25 years. While that improves overall safety and equipment reliability, it also provides significant cost savings for our customers.